today we will discuss about how to convert MATLAB program, this MATLAB program converted into Python program. So here you can see that I had given example from vibration technology SS Rao. I will explain you this example first, and then I will convert this MATLAB program in Python program. So the mass of system is around 3500 kg and stiffness is 85,000 Newton per meter, is subjected to initial displacement of x0 is equal to 7.5 centimeter and initial velocity is around 10 centimeter per second. So plot the time variation of mass, displacement, velocity, acceleration using MATLAB. They had given the code, and this is simple harmonic equation. Xt is equal to a0 sine omega t and this psi 0. So we know that omega n means frequency is equal to under root k by m. They had derived the omega n as a 4.928 radian per second, and a0 they had derived as 0.0776 meter, and psi means angle is equal to 1.3065 radian per second. Now we have to convert this displacement into acceleration and velocity. So displacement, this x, this is displacement, and this dx upon dt is equal to our velocity, and dx square divided by dt square is equal to our acceleration. So I will convert this. We have to derive derivative of this in time function. So x of, I will write as dot a0 omega n, because theta will displacement means function of this t, so it will omega n cos sine converted into cos because of derivation, omega n t plus this angle, and x double dot is equal to minus, because cos derivative is minus sine, so a0 omega n square sine, same thing, omega n t plus this angle. So they had written here, I will show you, they had written same thing. X0 they had written x0 is x of t is equal to, this is for displacement, this is for acceleration, velocity, and this is for acceleration equation. And they had put this a0 value in here, omega n value here, and this t. So they had plot in range of t is equal to 0 to 6 seconds. So we have to plot this in 6 seconds. So now I will write the Python code. I had already plot this diagram, so this is for you. And now I will convert, import numpy as np, import math plot library dot pyplot as plt. Now I will convert this in, they had, if you seen here, they had create for I is equal to 1 comma 101. So it will start with I is equal to 1. So t of 1, so I will simplify this code, t of 1 is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 100. So what it will means, so t of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So my whole equation becomes 0. So it will start with 0 and end with 6, but number of division of this is around 100. So it will divide 0 to 6 second in 100 number of division. So I will create one array which t is equal to np dot linspace, sorry, and I will start with 0 to 6 second and number of division around 100. And now I will create x is equal to, this is null array for displacement, x is equal to, this is null array for velocity, and this is null array for acceleration. Now I will create one for loop for I in t. So it will start with 0 and end with 6, and number of division is around 100. And now I will write x1, same I will write this equation, sorry, x is equal to 0.0776 multiplied by, I had already written it, I will just copy paste it. So this is the same equation written over here, I had kept right as same, and this is x dot append x, what it means. So it will start with 0 second, so whatever x value of 0th second it will store in this null array. If it is start means, suppose it will start with 0, it will store with 0. Suppose it start with 1, it will store x value of this 1 second store at here. So every iteration of for loop it will store in this null array. Now I will plot this diagram, just I will see this one and I will copy paste it. So I will this figure x1, x2 and x3. So this is subplot for every figure. This is for displacement, this is for velocity, and this is for acceleration. And PLT subplot 3, 1. What it means? 3, 1 means this 3 row and 1 column. So it will graph plotted like this one. So it become 3 row means first row, second row and third row, but column is around 1. So I had kept as PLT dot subplot is equal to 3, 1. This is my first figure title, and this is for my figure size, and this is for my x1. X1 means this x1 plot t comma x. So I'll write as capital T, and here also capital T. So t comma means time comma displacement. This is my second plot, this t comma velocity, and this is my third plot, t comma acceleration. So if I run this code, sorry, here you can see that I got the graph start with 0 second and end with 6 second. So by this way you can plot frequency means this time versus displacement, time versus velocity, and time versus acceleration graph. It is very easy compared to this MATLAB code, because you have to, in MATLAB you have to write as this tricky question t is equal to I and all this thing, but here you can see that I just written same as this equation and do not change anything, and it will give me same result as MATLAB. So it is very time saving for my coding. So please share and subscribe to my channel, it will appreciate my knowledge. And saying thank you guys.